that rainbow rhyme, right? Today ma'am is going to tell the word, you are going to spell it out. You are going to find that word and you are going to spell it out. Okay? Ready? Who is ready now? Tell me.
No book.
Huh?
Book is.
You don't have book, Pranita? Okay, Pranita doesn't have book. Rohita also doesn't have. Okay, no problem. Okay, I won't ask you children. Sorry?
We have came to our native program actually.
Okay, fine. I will not ask. No, I will not ask you, Rohita. Don't worry, okay? Because you don't have your book, right? I won't ask you, okay? No problem. Okay? Good girl. Yeah, welcome, Kana. Next. Everyone is ready? Okay, first, Nitila. Spell the word rainbow. Rainbow.
Good
Parents,
morning.
don't help them. Let them find that word and let them spell it out. See whether they are able to find it out. Give their own time. If they are not able to find out, you can help them. Rainbow.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, Nitex.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am.
Good morning, Satvika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Kartikeyan. Take your rhymes book, everyone. Take your rainbow page. Rainbow rhymes, rainbow rhymes. Take your rhymes book first. Take the rainbow rhyme. We already have circled all the words, no? That words you are going to spell out. I am going to tell the word and you are going to spell out. Okay? Kartikeyan, why so beautifully dressed today? What is the matter? Come on, tell me. Huh? Nothing, ah? What, ma?
We are going out, ma'am.
You are going out after the session, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you want to finish your session and then you want to go out. Ah, very good, Kartikeyan. You are looking very beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Come on, Nitila, I asked you to spell the word rainbow.
Yes, ma'am. R.
Hmm. Loudly.
I.
Hmm.
N.
Hmm.
B.
Hmm.
O.
Hmm.
I.
Huh?
Zero.
Vivo Emma.
Rainbow.
Why சொல்றான் மேம் W why சொல்றான்
W. It's not Y. W. Rainbow. Very good. Okay, next word. Who is going to spell out? It's going to be Zadi. Zadi.
Z. Yes ma'am.
Zadi, spell the
Yes,
word
ma'am.
blue. Blue.
Blue. Circle की ना blue
Blue.
कहाँ है? It is blue. Blue.
It starts with the phonic sound B. Blue.
B. Where is blue?
Yeah.
Where is blue?
Blue. Yeah.
Spell.
Sound out?
Hmm?
Spell
What is
it,
this?
ma.
What is the letter?
B.
Letter?
Letter.
What is this? What is this?
Jaldi karo, Zedi.
देखो देखेगी तब ना सब बोलेगी इधर देखो नीचे देखो
I'm watching you, Zedi. Come on. Spell the word fast. Good girl. Fast. B. L.
U.
U.
E.
E. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Very good. Well done, Zedi. Okay, next is Harshni. Spell the word violet. Violet. Ooh, it starts with the phonic sound. Ooh, drive big swan round the village. Ooh,
Spring. What is it?
Second.
violet.
Starts with the word V.
Violet. Ooh.
Spell it out.
Oh, look, there's a rainbow. It's so violet. Violet.
Spell it out. V.
V I O N E E.
Very good, Violet. Very good. Thank you so much, Hashni. Okay, next word is indigo. Who is going to read this? Karthikeyan. Indigo. Indigo. Indigo.
Indigo.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Indigo. I N D.
I
Huh? Yes, ma? Oh, very good. Good. Well done. Very good. Okay, next is who is going to read? Nightic. Green. Very good, Karthikeyan. Very good, Karthikeyan. Green. 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 Green.
G R E N.
Green. Green. Very good. Next is Parnas. Parnas. Next is yellow. 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 Starts with the phonic sound y. Unmute and answer, ma.
Sorry, ma'am. Y
Ah.
L O W
Yellow. Very good.
yellow.
Well done, Farnaz. Very good. Okay, next is who is going to say Satvika. Satvika. Orange. Find out the color. Orange. Orange. Starts with the phonic sound. This one. Finish fast. Means what letter, ma? Satvika. Orange. Satvika, look here. Means what? Starts with the letter O. Come on, find it out. Spell it out. She's spelling out the phonic sound. I can hear. Very good, ma, Satvika. That too is good only. Orange. Anyhow, you found out the word. Very good. Well done. Next is Janavi. Good, Satvika. Very good girl. Janavi. Red. Red. Flute. Afterwards, you can play flute. Okay? Come on. Find out the word. Red. It starts with the letter. Janavi. Focus, ma. Don't play, Kana. Come on. Red. Red. It starts with the phonic sound. Spell out. Identified. Spell out. R. D. Red. R-E-D. Red. Very good. Well done, children. Now all of you close your books. We are going to start our session. Who is going to say Kids Anthem today? Kavyani, will you say? Kavyani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up and say, sit.
Kids Anthem.
Everyone, Kids
Tara.
Anthem.
Right.
You're Timmy, you're infinite, you're unique, my potential inside. You're the beneath my flight, beautify me, my potential inside. All my might,
Today I pledge.
Today, please.
Today bless you, all my might, I shall worship you, my potential inside. Is open eye.
Very good.
Morning.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, children. Unmute yourself and say good morning, everyone. Yeah, morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. Very good morning, children. Well done. Very good morning. Yeah, good morning. Vishang, good morning. Whoever joined now. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Okay. Children, are you ready for the activity? Balance walk. Come on, balance walk. How will you do? Balance walk. Yes, right, Vishang. Come on, fetch a book. Balance walk.
Ma'am, Rohita have Dolly, ma'am.
Ah, very good, Rohita. Good, well done.
Okay.
Well done. Good. Pranita, walk. Naitik, very good, Naitik. Vishank, you are not walking. Very good, Zeddy. It's going to fall. Very good. Good. Bernard, Kartikeyan. Good. Kavyani, it fell down, ah? Okay. Slowly walk, Vishank. Hey, fell down. Slow, slow, slow. Slowly, 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 like that you have to walk, okay? Take off your hands, everyone. Don't cheat. No cheating. Yeah, walk. Next, all of you, come on. After finishing this, those who are finished, bring your ball. You have to bounce your ball and catch for 3 times without letting it down. Okay, come on, bring your ball, everyone. Yeah, go and bring your ball. Children, you have to do your work on your own, children. Okay, I'll wait for you. Come on, go bring your ball.
You put
Stand
Rohita.
up, bounce it on the ground, and you have to catch it. Okay? Should not throw it up and catch it. You have to bounce it down on the floor and you have to catch it. Okay? Parents can teach them one time how to catch it. Bouncing and catching it. Vishan, give it to your mom. She will show you how to catch the ball. Yeah, very good, Hashni. But 3 times you have to catch, Hashni. Should not throw the ball, Ma Janavi. You should bounce it down and catch it. Put it on the floor. It will come up again, no? It will bounce and come up again. At that time, you have to catch. Huh?
No, I'm done, Mama.
What are you saying, Janavi?
No, air.
No hair in that ball, ah. Next time, I want you to bring a ball which has hair in it, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Then we want to buy a new things, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, buy and give her anyhow. She's going to play with that, no?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. She will drop all those things I'm telling, ma'am.
You will break it, Janavi. Will you break that?
No.
No, you're a good girl. See how mommy is saying? Oh, what is this, Janavi's mom? How such a good girl you are complaining about her.
She will be very kind to all.
Okay, very good. Kavyani, nice try. Hashni, you should not throw like that, ma. Near you itself, you have to throw the ball. தூரமா தூக்கி போடக்கூடாது பால். உங்க கிட்டே உங்க கால் கிட்டே போடணும். பால் மேல வந்த உடனே பாலை கையில பிடிக்கணும். ஓகே, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் bouncing and catching the ball. Yeah, good, Karthikeyan. Ritvik. Vivan, good Vivan. Very tired, Avishank. Parnaz. You are bouncing it and your mummy is catching it, Rohita.
Yes.
Your sister,
Playing outside, ma'am.
have to
She
catch it
playing
like
outside,
that.
ma'am.
That's what. Okay, children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Come on, keep your balls down. Go drink one glass of water and come back. Let's start our attendance. Come on. Drink water and come back, children. Fast. Dev Krish. Dev Krish. It's absent today, huh? Dikshan. Dikshan. Parnas.
Unani ma'am. My name is Parnas Patwan KD.
Very good, Parnas. Hashni.
My name is Asini. I am studying in Dhoni KD. I am 4 years old. I am physical.
Very good, Hashni. Janavi.
My name is Jarvis. I am Dhoni KD.
Okay, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Yeah, my name is Karthikeyan. Studying in Dhoni KD. 4 years old.
That's all, huh? Okay. Kavyani.
My name is Kavyali. I am studying in Dhoni KD. I am 4 years old. I am Gizzy girl.
Good morning. Okay. Nukshita. Nukshita. Naitik.
Naitik.
Yeah, Naitik. Same.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay. Pranita. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. Good morning, ma'am. I am Pranita. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Pranita. Rohita.
4 years old. I am 4 years old. I am junior KG and KG girl.
Very good, Ritvik. Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
What is your name?
I am KG boy.
What is your name?
KG boy.
What is your name?
KG boy.
What is your name? Ritvik. Oh my goodness. My name is Ritvik. You forgot, no? That's what I'm asking you. What is your name? What is your name? And you are playing. Naughty. Naughty boy. Kidsy boy. And you are not your mama's boy. Okay. No issues. Nitila.
I am studying. I am a kidsy girl. I am a 4 years old.
Okay. Thank you. Satvika.
My name is Satika Singh. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Siddharth. That is absent. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar is also absent. Vishank.
My
My
name is Chunk. I am doing it.
Vivan. Vivan.
I'm 4 years old. I'm a busy boy. I'm a 4 years old. I'm a tallest boy.
Sit straight and say,
Okay, Vidyut. 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 Zedi. Zedi.
ready.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Jedi. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG. I am teaching college.
Very good, Zedi. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana is not there. Okay, children. Now I want you to take your, those who are having this worksheet, please take it, or else those who are not having that worksheet, you can take your English notebook and write this, okay? Worksheet number is D114, phonics. Check whether you have that worksheet. Circle the middle sound worksheet if you have, take it, or else you can do it in your English notebook.
Ma'am, Vidyut attendance will you take, ma'am? It got cut.
Yeah, Vidyut I called, but he didn't answer. I marked him absent also. Wait 1 minute, wait. Yeah, Vidyut, tell me your attendance, ma.
Sorry.
Vidyut.
Today crying, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, I'm marking you, Vidyut, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. This worksheet, color the correct middle sound. This one we are going to do. So those who are not having this worksheet particularly, you can write it in your English notebook. It's worksheet number 114, PH, phonic worksheet. We'll do it fast, children. Today we have a rainbow activity also. We are going to color a rainbow. So come on, we'll do it fast and move on to that activity. Ready, all of you? Shall we start this worksheet? I want you to write your name here and your date here. Today's date is 11/1/21, 2021. Okay. Before finding out the middle sound, I want you to write the word first. Okay, what is the first picture here, Hashni?
Yes, ma'am. See you, ma'am.
What is this, ma? Cat. So write the word cat. C-A-T. Cat. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to find out the middle word, middle sound. Okay? Cat. The starting sound is K. Ending sound is T. Okay, now the middle sound is So see where is this letter and you have to color. Here you have no, this you have to color. Okay? ஒரே color கொடுத்தா போதுமா? Any color you can give. Only this A letter you have to color. Any light colors you can use.
Okay.
Okay. Next is mug. Write the word and find out, children. Without writing, no one should find out.
Ma'am, Jedi is not writing, ma'am.
Zedi? क्या हुआ Zedi?
Zedi.
Then no star for her today. I told you, no, I'll give you star.
I want to go. I want to write notebook.
You want to write in notebook, Zedi, do you want to write in notebook? Then
No, ma'am. Only
you have
worksheet,
the
ma'am.
worksheet, no?
No, ma'am. Page number not
You don't have
ma'am.
means you can write it in your notebook. And then let us circle the middle sound. That's it. Parents also don't have this worksheet. Please take your English notebook and write it in your English notebook. Circle the middle sound. Tarnika, what is this, ma? Mug. We have written, no? What is the starting sound? Is the starting sound.
Yeah.
What is the ending sound?
ஜியோட சவுண்ட் என்ன?
Ending. The. Okay. What is the middle sound?
ஜியோட சவுண்ட் என்ன?
Middle means what? Nadula irukra sound. Okay. Middle sound is a. So see where is a here, and you color that box.
இங்க இருக்கு.
Okay. And next is Nitek. Yeah. Nitek. Find out the middle sound here, Nitek. Middle.
Middle sound. E.
Okay, a. Okay, not e, it's a. Bed. B-a-d, bed. Okay. Now color the sound a here. Here you have to color it. Okay. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is this picture?
இது என்ன picture?
What is this picture?
Yan.
What is this picture, ma?
Ma'am, the pictures are changing, ma'am.
Changing, ah?
Yeah, we don't have
In
the
your
right
worksheet,
pictures.
what
No,
picture you
yeah.
have?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, by the time you tell here, Farnaz, look at the screen. Ritvik, what is this picture, Ritvik? Fox. Now, what is the starting sound? Ah, very good. What is the ending sound?
Louder.
Ending sound like this. Take an X-ray. Now, what is the middle sound?
Middle sound.
What is the middle sound?
What is this?
Show me the action also. Come on. Look at ma'am. Ritvik. Oh, very good. Now here you are going to color the letter O here. O. Okay. Next picture.
Farnaz, ma'am.
Yeah, Farnaz. What is this picture, ma? Look at the screen and say whatever is in your workbook. You do it afterwards. Come on, first say this picture.
இது என்ன picture? This one. What is this picture?
Big.
Pig. Okay. What is the starting sound?
Starting sound என்னது?
Pat.
What is the ending sound?
Ending sound என்னது?
The.
Now what is the middle sound?
I.
Sound.
Sound.
E.
Very good. Here you have the E letter, right? To color that. Okay. Okay. Now, thank you,
Okay.
Farnaz. Next is Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is a rod. Okay. Now what is the starting sound? What is
Yes.
starting sound?
Why?
Y. I have written Y here. I have
Yes.
written Y here.
R.
R. What is the ending sound?
No, ma'am. This color, ma'am.
Red color only you say, ma. Look at the screen and say ending sound.
What letter?
Mudirad enna sound, ma? Starting this one. This is ending. Ending means mudira sound. Okay. Come on, tell me what is the ending sound.
D.
D means what sound?
Ink.
D means what sound, ma?
The.
D. Okay. Now tell me what is the middle sound?
Middle sound. What's middle sound?
O. O.
Action and phonic sound. Look at ma'am.
Let go. Off.
Oh. Very good. Now find where is that letter. Here you have to color it. Okay, those are doing it in your notebook, you have to circle it. Others, you have to color it. Okay. Okay, next picture. Rohita.
Rohita, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rita, what picture is this, ma? What picture is this?
Chicken.
Chicken కాదు.
Chicken.
గట్టిగా and loudly.
Hen.
Hen. Okay. What is the starting sound? Look at the screen.
Starting.
Starting sound ఏమి చెప్పు? What is the starting sound?
Small.
Yes.
Middle sound you found out. Very good. But tell me what is the starting sound?
Starting sound.
Very
Which one?
smart.
Which one? Which one? This one. This sound and
H.
yeah.
Sound kanna.
H.
Sound. Ha, ha, ha. Ah. Now ending sound.
Ending sound. Ending sound. Amma nu rhyme a sound so.
Ending sound.
Mama.
Hear the aeroplane. That sound. Okay. Now what is the middle sound?
Middle sound. Okay. Middle sound. Middle sound.
Middle sound. Do the action and show me, Rohita.
Middle.
Egg in the pan.
Ah, very good. You are going to circle the word E or color it. Okay. Okay. Now the next picture. Who is going to say this? Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut, what is this picture, ma? Look at the screen and say afterwards you can do it. Okay, tap. Okay, now what is the starting sound for tap? Ta. And what is the ending sound for tap? Pa. Now what is the middle sound? Ah, very good with you. Now you are going to color or circle this A letter. Okay. Next is Vishank. Vishank.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not
What is this picture, Vishank?
What is this?
dead.
Net. Okay. What is the starting sound for net? Sound. Very good. What is the ending sound?
Ma'am.
Correct only, ma. Ending sound solunga.
Ma'am.
No.
Middle sound I didn't ask you.
Ending
I
sound.
asked you the ending sound. What is this sound? Ta. Okay. Now what is the middle sound? What is it? Very good. You are going to color or circle the letter A. Okay? Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good children. Okay. We have already learnt about one concept last week. What was that concept? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what concept we learnt last week?
Summer season.
Summer season and? Very good. Summer season and winter season. Okay, very good. Summer is a what season? Hot season or cold season? Yeah, summer is a very hot season. It will be very hot. Okay. And then what are the things you use in summer? What things you will use in summer?
Glasses.
Cap, mangoes, cotton clothes, lots of water. Very good. Well said, children. Very good. And then see here, why we need to drink lot of water? Why we have to drink lot of water? Why? Anyone answer it correctly? Yeah, we'll sweat a lot, so only we have to drink lot of water. And then where will you like to go? Yeah, you like to go to beach in the summer season because there is lots of water and children like to play with water. Okay? Okay, next, what you all have to eat in summer season? What we'll eat in summer season? Yeah, watermelon, tender coconut. Watermelon, tender coconut. Then lots and lots of fruits and vegetables. Okay. Okay. Then what is this season? This is winter season. Winter is a hot season, children. Winter is a hot season. No, winter is a cold season. Okay. And then see here. Can you see the snowfall here? Can you see the snowfall here? Okay, the snowfall. Due to the snowfall only, it's very cold. Okay. And then what you'll use in the winter season? What clothes you'll use? Raincoat. What we call them? Wait, children. All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. It is not raincoat or cotton clothes. The type of clothes which we use in the winter season is woolen clothes. Woolen. W you can see there, right? It is woolen clothes made out of wool. Okay, it is not cotton clothes. Okay, woolen clothes like sweater and all. Okay, sweater, scarf, mittens, like that. Okay, and then you will like to drink cold type of food or hot food material. What will you like to eat and drink? Hot food. Okay, very hot only you like to, because it is already a cold season. So you prefer to drink and eat only hot food. Yeah, very good. Ice water, Kaviyani. Okay, today we are going to see a new season, that is the monsoon season or the rainy season. Is the monsoon season or the rainy season. Okay. So in this season, what are the things we use in rainy season? We use umbrella, gumboots, raincoat, hat, everything. Okay. So these are the things we use in rainy season. Okay. When we go out, we used to wear, right? So next, we are going to learn about rainbow. When can you see a rainbow? When can you see a rainbow? When you see the sun and the rain together, you can see the rainbow. Okay, when you see the sun and the rain together, when it is raining and you can also see the sunshine. At that time, you can see the rainbow. Okay, and now can anybody tell me how many colors are there in a rainbow?
7 colors.
Yeah, very good. 7 colors. Shall we count whether it is 7 or how many? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in short, it is called as VIBGR. V stands for violet. I stands for indigo. B stands for blue. G stands for green. Y stands for yellow. O stands for orange. And R stands for red. So it is called as VIBGR. All the starting letters, if you put it together, it will sound VIBGR. Okay. So V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange, and R for red. Okay. Now I want all of you to take your rough notebook and bring all these 7 colors. What all the colors you see here? Come on, bring all those colors. Bring your rough notebook, pencil and eraser. Yes, ma'am?
No rainbow.
What?
I can see rainbow, ma'am.
You can see rainbow. Okay, children. Now, see, we are going to draw a rainbow. Okay. See, come on, all of you take your rough notebook. Can you see how ma'am has drawn? Is it very light? Wait. I'll draw it in a slate and show you. Wait. Yeah, here. First, see, take your paper in this way, not in this way. Landscape way, okay? Take it. And first, you're going to draw two clouds. Here and here. Okay, two clouds you are going to draw. And here you are going to draw the curve, rainbow curve. Like this, you are going to draw. And inside first you are going to write V, I, B, G, Y, O, R and here R. Like that you are going to first write the color, starting letters of the color. Okay? V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. With GR. Try to draw it on your own, children. And write the starting letter of that color. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Like that you are going to write and then you are going to color it accordingly. Like this it will be. Like this you have to draw. Two cloud and all those things you have to draw. Okay, and then write V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. And start coloring. V for violet. First, you have to color the violet color, children. Take your violet color, violet or that purple color. Anyone, you have finished drawing? Can you please show me?
Ma'am, for indigo, what color should be used, ma'am?
Indigo, dark blue.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama. Mama. Uma ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am? Uma ma'am. Children, keep drawing. Give me 1 minute time, okay? 1 minute, please. finished drawing and coloring? Children started coloring? Yes, Janavi. V means what color, Janavi? Janavi, V means what color? V for? Wow, violet. Okay, good. Okay, next is I for Satvika. Indigo, very good. B for Vishank. B for
Before?
Vishank.
Before
V for Vishank. I asked B. B for what color you will give?
Before?
Before.
Before? What color is this?
Before blue color.
Blue. Very good, Vishank. Vidyut. G for green. Very good. Nitila. Y for
Wi-Fi yellow color.
very good. Y for yellow. Nitik. O for
O for orange.
very good. Ritvik. R for
orange.
yeah. Very good, ma. Ritvik. R for
Red, ma'am.
red. Very good, Ritvik. Good children. Come on, let me see who is finishing it first. Fast. Children, for tomorrow's activity, you have to bring any countable materials like grams, groundnut, like that you can bring anything and you are going to group it into tens. 10, 20, 30 like that till 100 you are going to group it. So you will get 10 groups in that. So up to that you have to bring till it should be around 100. Then only you will group it 10, 10 like that. Okay. So for tomorrow's activity, be ready with that.
Ma'am, separate groups, ma'am.
Anything groundnut,
100 peanuts.
if you have groundnut or any dry chips like that, or black gram, black chana, white chana, soya, whatever you have, you can use for grouping only. Whichever is countable.
And 10 separate.
Sorry?
Rohita, 10 separate, ma'am.
10 like that they have to group. They have to count and group it. Take 10 and group it separately. Till 100 they have to group.
Okay.
If you have ice cream sticks also, you can use.
Any one we have to collect or different items?
That should be countable. They have to make group of tens. If it is one object, it will be easy for them to count and segregate.
Okay, fine.
Suppose, for example, if you are taking groundnut, they'll separate into 10, 10 like that and make it into groups.
Got it. Thank you.
Thank you. Badam, cashew, whatever you have, you can bring. Yeah, very good, Kavyan. Sorry, Hashini. Well done. With G or very good. And write it as rainbow. Give the heading as rainbow and write today's date also.
అయ్యో రోహిత వస్తున్నాను ఇదిగో బ్లూ బ్లూ నేను థైరాయిడ్ బిల్ వేసుకోవాలి. కాళ్ళు ఎండ వచ్చేసి మేలుకున్నా.
Very good, Vidyut. Show me how you have done. Yes, Vidyut. Very good, Vidyut. Well done. Nitila, very beautiful, Nitila.
రోహిత ఫినిష్ రోహిత, ఇంకా 3 కలర్స్ కూడా ఇలాదో.
Rohita, no colors, Amma.
Rohita have colors, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Color.
Slowly, ma'am.
Parents, give them smileys or stars for them for their coloring. Very good, very nicely done. Hashni, get stars. Nitila, get star. Vidyut also. Next, who else finish?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am.
Karthikeyan, finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Show me Karthikeyan. What? Ulta I have colored, ma. See, the violet should be down here. Above only red will come. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, come on, draw it another time and you color it. From below you have to write, children, with GR. See, from below it will come. From down you have to start. VIBGYOR, not from here. Ready, finish. Tarnika, finish. Why, Rohita's mom, you didn't bring anything?
No, ma'am, she have colors.
You would have brought your workbook, no? Yeah, very good, Naitik. Well done. Yeah, Satvika. Very beautiful, Satvika.
Rohita have colors, ma'am, but she playing, ma'am. She slowly.
Ma'am.
Do it slowly, yeah. Kavyani,
So
beautiful
many friends
Kavyani.
is there, ma'am.
Yeah, many friends are there. She is not willing to read also. She wants to play, I
Yes,
think.
ma'am.
Very good, ma Kavyani. Very nice. Color the clouds also. Why you didn't color the clouds?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Unless she only one.
No, Marohita. Only 1 hour you are going to spend, no? Rest of the time you can go and play, okay? Okay, Rohita? 1 hour you attend the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of the time you go and play, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes, ma'am,
good,
sure.
Rohita. Good girl.
Okay, you don't want play.
Then who else
Janice,
finished?
the
Vishal,
only one, ma'am.
Janavi. Yes?
In Chennai, she only one, ma'am. In this place, she have
Yeah.
more of
Lot
friends.
of friends are there, so she wants to play.
Okay. Green color.
Tarnika, still you are
Rohita.
coloring, Tarnika?
No,
I thought
ma'am.
you would have
We don't
finished.
have colors.
Okay, no issues.
Ritwik, ma'am.
Ritvik, beautiful Ritvik. Very nice, good. Vidyut also very nicely colored. Good. Vivan, I know you will do it, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Then who else didn't show me? Zedi, Janavi.
Janavi is
Zedi.
not writing anything, ma'am.
Why, Janavi? Why, ma, you are making your mama to complain like this?
She is telling Anna, tell her. She's telling that she don't know, ma'am.
Why, ma? Come on, come here. If you complain, she will run away. What is the issue? Jahnavi? Jahnavi, after the session, I want to talk with you, Jahnavi. Please wait, Jahnavi. No, Jahnavi's mom. You please
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
after the session. I want to talk
Okay,
with her.
Okay.
Okay, children. Zaidi, still you are coloring? Zaidi.
Are we coloring?
Not fair, Zaidi. Color fast, Zaidi. Come on. Color. Okay, children. Hope everyone have finished. Vishank? Vishank finished coloring?
No, ma'am. Vishan is coloring, ma'am.
Color. When will you finish it, Vishank? You have to stay, color and show it to me, and then only you have to leave. Okay? You are going to stay. Unless you color, you are not going to leave the session. Okay, Vishank?
Ma'am.
Huh? Finished? Ah?
No, wait, ma'am.
Come on, I am waiting only. You finish it. Okay, children. Very well colored and very well drawn, children. Very good. Thank you for your cooperation. Bye, children.
Bye.
Jahnavi and Vishank, stay. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Kavyani.
Bye.
Yeah, bye, Satvika. Bye, Vivan. Bye, Nitila.
Sir, Keshav, bye.
Yeah, bye, ma.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.